Instead of relying on a single AI app that might lock down your data or change overnight, we can actually build one central toolkit and bring it wherever we go. Today, we're taking a look at how Zapier MCP lets us connect over 8,000 apps directly to 3 major models. We will walk through building the exact same server setup across Claude, ChatGPT, and Manus, so you can control your tools, your data, and your workflow. Starting with our first setup, we need to establish a direct link between Claude and our workspace tools. We begin by opening our Claude chat interface, navigating to the message prompt area, and selecting the option to add new connectors. From that list, we locate and choose Zapier, then hit Connect and authorize the permission prompts so the model can securely view our connected accounts. Next, we head over to zapier.mcp.com to build the actual server structure. We click the option for a new server, designate Claude as our targeted client, and start picking out the specific software we rely on daily, such as Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom. For every tool we add, we carefully toggle on only the actions we want the model to perform, like scanning a document or sending a channel update, while leaving high-risk actions like file deletion unchecked for safety. Once our permissions are tailored, we finish by heading to the Connect tab inside the dashboard and selecting the Direct Add option. Returning to our chat screen, we confirm that the Zapier toggle is active. With the pipeline established, we can simply ask Claude to retrieve a transcript from Google Docs, outline the major discussion points, send a summary directly to a teammate on Slack, and check Google Calendar to book a follow-up meeting without ever switching tabs. Moving along to our second environment, we can take that exact same backend capability and hand it over to ChatGPT using the same Model Context Protocol standard. We kick things off by returning to the central Zapier MCP dashboard at zapier.mcp.com and selecting the option to create another server instance, this time selecting ChatGPT as our client. Just like before, we select our essential productivity software like Gmail, Slack, and Google Calendar, making sure to explicitly define the allowed read and write permissions for each service. Once our actions are saved, we navigate to the Connect section on the dashboard, where Zapier provides a dedicated connection flow and custom integration endpoint for OpenAI. We then hop over to the ChatGPT interface, open up our custom connector or settings panel, and add Zapier as a custom integration using the provided setup prompt and OAuth link. After logging into Zapier to authenticate the handshake, ChatGPT instantly gains access to the exact same app permissions we configured. Now ChatGPT can search our drive, draft outreach messages, and schedule events seamlessly while maintaining our exact safety boundaries. Turning our attention to the third setup, we bring this universal toolkit over to Manus AI using the exact same server layout. We head back into mcp.zapier.com one more time, click to generate a new MCP server, and set our designated environment to Manus. We populate the server with our staple tools like Google Drive, Notion, Slack, and Google Calendar, carefully checking off the safe operational tasks for each. Once the server profile is ready, Zapier generates a unique dynamic MCP server endpoint URL specifically suited for Manus environment. We take this secure endpoint over to our Manus setup, whether that's the developer API interface, and register the URL within the external tools configuration. After completing the quick account authorization step, Manus connects directly to our central Zapier hub. This allows Manus to analyze complex project documents stored in Google Drive, draft multi-channel updates on Slack, or update database entries in Notion with the exact same precision as the other models. Building on this entire architecture, the real strength of setting up a Zapier MCP server comes down to total flexibility and model independence. Because all our tool connections, permissions, and security rules live inside the Zapier MCP dashboard, our software integrations are completely detached from any single AI platform. We don't have to waste hours re-authenticating 8,000 apps or rebuilding complex workflows from scratch whenever a new model comes out. If a faster or more capable model drops tomorrow, we simply generate a new server endpoint from our dashboard, plug it into the new client, and our entire workspace setup carries right over. We get to swap out the underlying brain whenever we want, while keeping our exact hands, tools, and custom rules intact.
Building a Zapier MCP server across multiple models gives us total control over our workflows, our data, and our choices. Instead of getting locked into one specific provider, we keep our tools centralized and swap out AI brains whenever we need. It saves time, keeps our data safe, and makes daily automation completely effortless. Give this setup a try and let us know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.